Now see this problem. In this problem we will see adjustment regarding capital when the current accounts are open. Means in this problem we will make adjustment of capital with the help of current account. A and B are partners, their balance sheet is given and their profit sharing ratio is 3/4 and 1/4. Their balance sheet is given. See the balance sheet. Afterwards they told that they agreed to take C into partnership on the following terms. See the first adjustment. C pays rupees 14,000 as his capital. C is bringing 14,000 for capital. Then in second adjustment they told that goodwill is to be valued at rupees 20,000, which is goodwill of the firm, and C is unable to bring any cash for share of goodwill. Then in third and fourth adjustment they told us to revalue the assets, and in the last adjustment they told us to make adjustment of capital accounts on the basis of profit sharing arrangement, and any excess or deficiency is to be transferred to the current account. It means if excess cash is in the business, the partner will withdraw the cash, and if there is deficiency of cash, the partner will bring the cash. But this adjustment will not be made with the help of cash account because they are not actually withdrawing or bringing the cash. They will make this adjustment with the help of current account. And afterwards they told us to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the new firm. Okay. So now we will start to solve the problem. First we will calculate new profit sharing ratio, because old profit sharing ratio is given in the problem and they have told us to adjust the capitals in new profit sharing ratio. So we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio. A and B are partners. Their old ratio is 3/4, 1/4, and given to new partner C 1/5, because they told us that C is admitted for 1/5 share in future profits. So let the total profit is equal to 1. From that we will calculate remaining profit. We know the formula. Remaining profit is equal to 1 minus given to new partner. So 1 minus 1/5 and the answer will be 4/5. This is the remaining profit. Now the second formula, new ratio is equal to remaining profit into old ratio. New ratio is equal to remaining profit into old ratio. So we will calculate for partner A. Remaining profit is 4/5 into old ratio is 3/4, that will be 12/20. For B, remaining profit 4/5 into old ratio 1/4 is equal to 4/20. And for C, where his share is 1/5, that is 1/5, we will make the denominator 20. So 5 into 4 and 1 into 4, that will be 4/20. So new ratio will be 12/20, 4/20 and 4/20, that is 12:4:4, that is 3:1:1. Okay. Now we will make adjustment of goodwill. Goodwill is given in the problem 20,000. Goodwill of the firm is given rupees 20,000. So we will calculate C's share of goodwill, that is 20,000 into his share 1/5. The answer will be rupees 4,000. C is unable to bring any cash for goodwill. Therefore, we will make adjustment entry. C's current account should be debited for rupees 4,000. That is his share of goodwill, and two partners capital account, old partners capital account should be credited. So to A's capital account 3,000, to B's capital account 1,000. goodwill of rupees 4,000 adjusted in sacrifice ratio and credited to partners capital account. This will be the adjustment. Okay. Now next. Now we will make adjustment of capitals. C brought capital for 1/5 share rupees 14,000, which is given in the problem. He is bringing rupees 14,000 cash for his capital. So total capital of the firm will be 14,000 into reciprocal of his share, that is 5/1 is equal to 70,000. So A's capital will be 70,000 into A's share, that is 3/5 is equal to 42,000. We know that the profit sharing ratio is 3:1:1. So A's capital is equal to 70,000 into 3/5, that is 42,000. B's capital will be 70,000 into 1/5, that is 14,000, and C's capital 70,000 into 1/5, 14,000. This share is given in the problem. Okay. Let us start now. We have to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the reconstituted firm as on 1st April 2017 after C's admission. I have prepared also bank account just for better understanding, but you can only draw revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. Okay, let us start now. First we have to transfer items from balance sheet. I have transferred the items already. Let us discuss them. See the balance sheet liability side, capital is given. I have transferred the capital in credit side of partners capital account. Then general reserve rupees 6,000 distributed between the old partners in their old ratio, which is 3:1. And then creditors, I have transferred creditors here, liability side, outer column, because there is no adjustment on creditors. Now see the asset side. Bank balance is transferred in bank account debit side. All other assets are transferred to asset side. Amounts of debtors, stock, furniture and land and building are in inner column because they are having adjustments on them. Okay. Now let us read the adjustment and solve one by one. See the adjustments. We know that A and B are old partners and C is admitted. First adjustment, C pays rupees 14,000 as his capital for 1/5 share in future profits. So C is bringing cash rupees 14,000 as his capital. Entry will be here to C's capital account 14,000, and second posting, credit side of capital account by bank account 14,000 in C's column. Okay. Now next adjustment, goodwill account to be valued at rupees 20,000. C is unable to bring cash for his share of goodwill. As C is not bringing cash for goodwill, we have calculated C's share of goodwill, which is 4,000, and I have shown the entry, adjustment entry, that is C's current account debit to A's capital account and to B's capital account. So we will make the posting, credit side of capital account by C's current account. Goodwill, C's share of goodwill rupees 4,000 will be distributed between A and B in their sacrifice ratio. As in this problem, new ratio is not given, only old ratio is given in the problem. So we will assume the old ratio will be the sacrifice ratio of A and B. So that is 3:1. So the goodwill will be distributed as 3,000 and 1,000 and dash in C's column. Okay, this is the entry of goodwill. Second posting will be in C's current account. We have not prepared C's current account, so we will make the posting directly. Here C's current account will have debit balance, so we will transfer in asset side. We will transfer it in asset side. So C's current account rupees 4,000. Rupees 4,000. Now next adjustment. See the next adjustment, stock and furniture to be reduced by 10%. So stock and furniture we will reduce by 10%. Less reduction you can say, or depreciation 10% means 2,000. Outer column amount will be 18,000. There is reduction in furniture also, so less reduction or depreciation you can say, 10% will be 100, so outer column amount will be 900. Reduction in stock and furniture, these are losses, so we will transfer them to revaluation account debit side. To stock, reduction of rupees 2,000, and to furniture, reduction of rupees 100. Okay. Now next part of this adjustment, 5% provision for doubtful debts to be created on debtors. So we will deduct the provision from debtors, less provision on debtors. 5% of 16,000 will be 800. So the outer column amount will be 15,200. Now this provision will be lost. So to provision on debtors rupees 800. Okay. Now next adjustment, land and building to be appreciated by 20%. So there will be appreciation in land and building and appreciation. 20% of the amount will be 5,000. So add 5,000. Outer column amount will be 30,000. And increase in the asset means profit. So buy land and buildings rupees 5,000. Okay. Now they told us to adjust the capital accounts. We will do that adjustment afterwards while tallying the capital account. Now first we will tally devaluation account. Credit total is rupees 5,000. First we will tally evaluation account. Total of credit side is rupees 5,000 and total of debit side we can see is 2,900. So we will write 5,000 here, higher amount, and we will deduct rupees 2,900 from 5,000 and the balance will be 2,100, which will be distributed between the partners. So two partners capital account, we will distribute the balance between old partners in their old ratio. Their old ratio is 3:1, so distribution will be 1,575 to A and 525 to B. Okay. Let us make the second posting. Credit side of capital account, by revaluation account, okay. Now we will tally capital account. See, in this problem they told us that adjust the capital accounts in new profit sharing ratio taking C's capital as a base and make the adjustment with the help of current account. It means the difference will be given the name of current account, not of cash account. They are not bringing any cash or taking away the cash from the business, old partners. So we will give the name current account to the difference. See how it happens. First we will write the balances, that is adjusted capital, to balance carried down. We have already calculated adjusted capital before starting the solution. So first partners adjusted capital is 42,000, second partners 14,000 and third partners 14,000. Okay. Now we will tally A's capital account. Make total of credit side of A's capital, that is 28,500 plus 4,500 plus 3,000 plus 1,575, and the total we will write here if it is the higher amount. So make the total of credit side. Total of this is 37,575 and debit total means 42,000. So 42,000 is the higher amount. 42,000, 42,000. We will deduct 37,575 from 42,000 and the difference will be 4,425. This side total is less, so we will write the difference here, 4,425. Okay. Now the second partner, credit total is 18,525 and debit total is 14,000. Higher amount is 18,525. So 18,525. 18,525. We will deduct 14,000 from that and we will write difference here. So the difference is also 4,525. Now the third partner sees total of credit side 14,000, debit side 14,000. So there will not be any difference obviously. Now in this problem they told us to make the adjustment of capital with the help of current account. So we will give the name by current account and here to current account. By current account, difference is in A's column, it means it is A's current account, and here this is B's current account. Okay, we will make the posting of these current accounts afterwards in the balance sheet. Now we will transfer the balances in balance sheet. So capitals A, B and C, 42,000, 14,000 and 14,000. Now we will transfer these current account balances. This is A's current account, will be transferred here. A's current account 4,425 and B's current account in liability side 4,525. B's current account is transferred here because due to this entry B's current account is having credit balance, so it is transferred here, and A's current account is having debit balance in his account, so it is transferred here. Okay. Now we will tally cash account. Total is 36,500. So the balance will be by balance carried down 36,500. We will transfer this balance in asset side, cash account 36,500. Now we will tally the balance sheet. balance sheet, we will make total of the balance sheet. It is 1,12,025. 1,12,025. Okay, that's all.